Welcome back to the Educators Ed Fam. Now, several of us know someone in our lives who is great at giving us advice and giving us some important facts about anything. You name it. Relationships, no TJ. Life lessons and much, much more, right? Well, over here at the Educators, we kind of know someone who loves to pour out good knowledge. And the only problem is, who is it? Well, it's our boy, Damian. Yes, it is. So it's time for another round of Motivational Minute, where Damian shares his good energy to you all. So here's how it goes. Now, you all know by now how this works. But I'm just going to say it again because, we have viewers that just like to pop in and out. So we'll put a minute on the clock. And this is where Damian will break down all of this good magic in that specific time frame. So let's put 1 minute on the clock, please. Shall we? All right. Now let's get ready. Mr. Anderson, do the honors.
Here we go, Ed Fam. This is a good one, trust me. Identify your God-given gift. Okay? Identify your God-given gift. What do I mean by that is we all have talents, each and every one of us, okay? And we need to use whatever talent that God gave us, use it to the best of our ability. If he gave us the ability and the talent to sing, go out there and pursue your dream in singing. If he gave us the ability to be, the next president of the United States, go out to school for that, okay? If he gave you the ability to do magic, go out and do magic. Whatever it is, put that out into the universe so people will see your talents for good. Because if you just sit around and let that talent dust and not use it, what's your point of living on this earth? Because he has a purpose for everything. He has a purpose for all of us, and we need to use all the talents that he gave us to the best of our ability, because we have so much, each and every one of us, and we discover that every day of our lives. So use it to the best of your ability, Ed Fam. All right,
Damian, you did that, brother. You did that. That's a big up on that. Let your people know that they need to use their God-given thing.
Amen.
Gift. Preach to the people, and for the church in the back, and for the people in the back of the church. Rewind. All right. Thank you so much for pouring that amazing knowledge to everybody, Damian. It's greatly appreciated. And on that note, we have to take a quick break. Don't move. We have more up. Educators up.